Yeah, crazy kind of what's going on in the market, GameStop and all the rest. The important thing here, and there's speculation, is this has not hit the general market. The only stock, and this is very different than 99, the only stock where you could question the valuation, and there is, and it's not out of the question, but Tesla has to beat every other car producer by a big margin into the future to justify its price, and it might do that. But that's the only other one. Nothing else to me is crazy. Nothing of the big stocks. GameStop, is crazy. There's a few more that are crazy, yeah, but these are trivial. This is not the market. What we need to do, there'll be a lot of losses, and we need to convert these. I'm glad there's a lot of young investors. We want to convert them to real investors. A lot of speculators. They're not investors yet. They're speculators. We need to convert them to investors. And we need to have a caveat emptor. Be a buyer beware. You're speculating here. That's we need to do that. And hopefully these people, after licking their chops and taking some losses, will say, you know what, I really want to get into the game. Because let me tell you, stocks are a game that has a positive long-term return. The odds are with you in the long run. I've done the research. As Justin, pushed up the book, that the 200-year history, average return 6.5% after inflation. It can be a little bit lower into the future. I predict 5% after inflation. But still, you go in casinos, you're going to lose money. You might enjoy it. You might, because it's gambling, and might have a lot of fun, but you're going to lose in the long run. You're going to lose on GameStop in the long run. You're going to lose on all these things in the long run that you push up way beyond their fundamental value. Okay, if you enjoy doing it, take your losses, fine. You want to get something that has odds with you, you got to be an investor for the long run. You got to be an investor. So I just hope, I don't want to, clamp down on the market. I just saw just a half hour ago, Elizabeth Warren was on CNBC talking about a wealth tax, talking about all sorts of crazy stuff. Now they're calling for congressional investigations and all the rest. Yeah, there are going to be some people burned, and we need to be able to say, hey, come over here. You want to have some money to have fun with, go use that for fun. Maybe 10% of your portfolio, 20%, how much you can afford. But you want something that's going to give you the huge gains. You want to, that's going to set you up for the long run. You got to be an investor, not a speculator. That's a message we need to give to these younger people that are, speculating on Robinhood. A lot of them know that already, but a lot of them do not. And I hope that we get to that area.